morning and welcome to today. It rained yesterday afternoon-ish through the night, I think. I'm assuming through the night. It's all wet out, so I can't sit at the patio table before work. Well, I mean I could, but I'm not going to. Ooh, the vlog is almost up. It's almost up. 1 minute remaining. We are so close, so close. So close! And then after this is up, after this is up, I am going to vacuum quick because the floor needs to be vacuumed. I don't know. It needs to be vacuumed. That was fart sounds. Looks like this one will make it in time. Barely in time. Yay! Yay, 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 yay! I swear I haven't been just sitting at this chair all day. I vacuumed, as you saw. I put the dishes away. I don't know, just trying to make the house a little bit better for when Kayla gets home. I got dressed. I got pants on now. Instead of shorts. They're just so comfy. I think I'm gonna close this window now. There. Yeah, so this video, I hope makes it in time. That'd be super cool. Alright, I got my video uploaded. It's all good. I'm leaving now. I just sneezed a whole bunch of times and I don't know why, and it was really annoying. Now my nose sounds stuffy because I just sneezed. But yeah, so I'm leaving and I'm gonna get an iced coffee again because rainy weather, you see how it's like raining, dark, makes me tired. And it sounds good and it's like $2, so why not do it again? Pizza. What? Your back of your shirt's all wet.
It's all what?
Wet or stained? I'm going to bed. I had a pretty busy day at work, so that's good because I needed a good day at work. Not that I've had bad days, it was a good day. If you liked anything in this video, hit the thumbs up button and leave a comment. And if you want to see what I do tomorrow and all the other days, subscribe. And I'll see you tomorrow.
It's not my weekend, but it's gonna be